In our previous classes, we have done work on some basic skills, reading, writing, editing, and script generating. Today we will start statistic. When you want to perform statistic, your question will be different as previous. No, we will ask few more questions. For example, today your task is descriptive statistic in Python. The first question which should be arise in your mind, question number 1, what is descriptive statistics? Question number 2, why do we perform descriptive statistics? Question number 3, types of descriptive statistics. And question number 4, sample data table. For each type of descriptive statistics. Similarly, if you want to perform t-test, same these 4 questions should be arise in your mind. If you want to perform ANOVA, same these 4 questions should be arise in your mind. If you want to perform regression, same these 4 questions should be arise in your mind. So today we will do practice for descriptive statistic. No, please first all participant understand, then I will give you time for practice. You don't need to do practice with me, just watch and understand. Here are the 4 questions. First copy, first 3 questions. Copy, open ChatGPT, open new chat. You can also use DeepSeek or any other AI tool and paste these questions here and send message. It will give you its a reply or answer. First, what is descriptive statistic? Descriptive statistics is a branch of statistics that focus on summarizing, organizing, and spending and presenting data in a meaningful way. It will give you a summary. In short, descriptive statement, description of your data, summary of your data. Second, why do we perform descriptive statistics? These are the reasons. Number 1, understand data, identify pattern, trends, summarize large data set, prepare data for further analysis. So for these purpose, we can use descriptive statistics. There are 3 types of descriptive statistics. One is measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, and measure of shape. And each have different types. For example, a measure of central tendency have 3 types: mean, median, mode. Similarly, measure of dispersion, range, variance, standard deviation, interquartile range, measure of shape, skewness, and kurtosis. I am sending this information within group. You can read in your spare time. Okay, now next step is next question. We have solved 3 questions. Now, fourth question is sample data table. So we need a sample data so that we can arrange our original data according to sample data set for descriptive statistics. Again, open ChatGPT and write a message. Thanks. No, I need sample data table. Please must include these three words sample data table. I need sample data table for each type of descriptive statistics. You can also mention here your field of study name. For example, for economics, it will show you sample data for economics. If you write your field of study, for example, if you want to write botany, mathematics, geography, or any field of study, it will give you sample data according to your field of study. Here is the measure of central tendency sample data for measure of dispersion and measure of shape. We can use it for skewness or kurtosis. Now we want to do practice in R. We want to do practice in Python. So we need an Excel sheet. We need a data in Excel sheet for practice. Or if you want to use your own data, you can arrange your own data. It's just only for one variable. You can use more variable instead of one variable. Now write another message. Thanks. No, I need this in Excel sheet and send message. It will give you all data in Excel sheet. Here is the data for Excel sheet. Click here to download this file. When you click on this button, it will give you a downloadable Excel sheet for descriptive statistics of economics. Now here is the sample data. In this data, three sheets are found. Number one, central tendency, dispersion, and shape. We will import each sheet one by one and will work separately. So I am going to share this data in group. All participants download this data and save in working directory for practice. I want to rename it DEC. DEC for description, descriptive statistics. Copy and paste. Now please all participants download this file and type done within Zoom chat. Dr. Taro Dog, please share your screen. If not available, let me know. Hello. Farooq Ahmed, are you available for screen sharing? Okay. Please share your screen. Okay. Farooq Ahmed, please confirm me. Have you downloaded Excel sheet successfully and saved in your working directory? Python 14? Yes. Okay. Now come to your home tab of your Python. Home tab. Click on home tab and confirm here. Yes. DEC. Yes, this file is available here. Okay. Now come to script. The first step, import your data into Python. So the first question which should be arise in your mind, package name. So package name is pandas. So import panda as pd, no TypeScript, pd dot read underscore Excel, bracket, within bracket inverted comma, and type your file name. dec.xls, inverted comma close, bracket close, and run this line. It is showing you no such file or directory dec.xls. It is sx, not xs. Confirm, please confirm again. Okay. Now you have done. Please all participants import this file and type done. All participants, please import this file and type done. So it's your sheet number 1. Now give name. Come to line number 89. Give name sheet 1 and run this line. Okay, just type sheet 1 for confirmation. Okay, so this data is for central tendency. Okay, now take its str, print file name. Yes. No, your file name is sheet 1. Dot info, close, and run. Now combine both script and result in single paragraph or single box. No copy, and come to ChatGPT and write a message. Thanks. No, I want to perform. Central tendency. Sorry, I want to perform mean, median, and mode. And also want to visualize. In Python. Okay, send this message. Please read first paragraph. Okay.
Here is
No,
complete
confirm
Python
and
script
confirm script is
for
completed.
completed.
Scroll down.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
copy and run in Python. You have two scripts. You can run one by one
Okay, sir.
and run. Yes. Here is the three things: mean, median, and mode. You can also try second script. Okay.
Done, sir.
Both are properly working. Okay, drag
Yes,
and
sir.
drop into group.
Okay, sir. I will send it
Okay, you
to
can
WeChat.
send later. Okay,
Okay,
now
sir.
next step is, now we have done work on sheet number 1. Now we want to import sheet number 2. Please come to your previous script, pd.readexcel, copy the script. Yes, this one. Paste here. And no, after Excel, add another comma. Sorry, after inverted comma. After inverted comma, add
Yes,
another
sir.
comma and type sheet equal inverted comma and type sheet name within inverted comma. Now open your Excel file. Don't add
Yes,
inverted
sir.
comma around sheet. After sheet equals, add equal sign. After equal, yes. Now open your Excel sheet and check second sheet name. You can also copy from your file. Yes, right click and rename and copy. Copy, yes, and paste within inverted comma. Inverted comma close and run this line.
I mentioned the sheet one is okay,
Yes,
sir.
sheet
Please.
2
Sheet two.
and run.
Here error.
It's showing you an error. Sheet argument.
Maybe we panda read as sheet, then after maybe
Okay, I think copy the script,
first
copy this complete script.
this one.
Please try to add as capital.
S sheet. Run again.
Yes,
Same error, sir.
same error. Okay, copy the script. Open
Copy.
ChatGPT and write a message. Please correct the script. Paste and send. Sheet underscore name. Yes, use this function. Okay, copy and run. Yes, no, it's working. Just type sheet number 2, sheet 2 for confirmation. Yes, it's working. Now you have data set for sheet number 2. Now again, take its str. And run. Now combine both in single box.
What now I
I
see?
want to perform dispersion. I want to perform all type of dispersion in Python.
All type of,
All
sorry,
type of dispersion and its visualization in Python.
to perform all type of descriptive
Yes,
statistics and visualization. There are two types: descriptive statistics
yes.
visualization,
In
mean, median,
descriptive statistic mean different parameters are
median.
given. Okay, copy and run one by one.
These are all in combined one.
Yes, frequency and it's for frequency.
Descriptive
Histogram,
statistics,
Boston,
frequency,
all our results are
food.
for frequency. I think scroll up, please scroll up. It finds mean, median, No, scroll, show me results. Yes. No, please. Result tables. Yes, stop here. Yes. It give you mean, standard deviation, minimum 50%, 25, 75, maximum, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, range, IQR, interquartile range. So many parameters have given in this plot. If you check plot number 1, in plot number 1, mean, median, mode is given. In plot number and frequency also given. While in plot number 2, your yes, in 3, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and range and IQ are also given. Okay, so similarly, you will import your next file and we'll work for next plot. But no, I want to do another task. No, open your ChatGPT. No, next step is t-test. No, you will work t-test without any. Sorry. No, our next task is t-test. So please, you will do this task. No, you have 25 minutes. I will be here. If you found any issues, you can share or screenshot or your screen. So first you will find the answer of these 3 questions. Please type your question. What is t-test? Second question, why do we perform t-test? Third question, type of t-test. Why do we perform t-test? Sample data table for, sorry, type of t-test, and send this message. Don't type fourth question. Let's find the answer of these 3 questions. Copy and share these within Zoom chat so that all participants can read. Okay, no, type next question after sharing. Please first share within Zoom chat. Please share within Zoom chat.
I am trying, sir.
Okay.
It's not sending here.
Or you can share within WhatsApp group.
Okay, I try to share it, but
Dr. Tar, to save the result of your card diagram, write a message to ChatGPT after creating card diagram. Thanks. No, I also want to save this card diagram in HDR. You can give your specification. ChatGPT will give you script for saving. When you run this script, it will save your plot in your working directory. Okay, now write another message. Thanks. Now I need sample data table for each type of t-test. There are three type of t-test. One is one sample t-test, two sample t-test, and paired sample t-test. In one sample t-test, yes, please type. In one sample t-test, you have only one sample and you want to compare it with uh, already published values, already available values. In two sample, you have two sample and you want to compare or you want to find the difference between these two groups. And in a paired sample, you have data set in the form of uh, before and after. For example, you want to find or you want to measure blood pressure before eating meal, after eating meal, before exercise, after exercise. If you have this type of data set, you can apply paired sample t-test. So t-test is only applicable when you have only two or less than two group. If you have more than two group, then t-test will not be applicable on your data. Now here is a sample. Please check. Open this link. Yes. Download this file. And open this file and check. Let's first open this file. Is it suitable for t-test or not? Yes, sorry, it's another file. Yes, you have three sheets. One sample t-test, independent mean two sample t-test and paired sample t-test. Okay. Now close this file and rename because it have a big name. Just give t-test. Rename and give t-test. Okay. And share within group, and now you will work on this file for all three type of t-test. Import your file one by one. First import one sample t-test file and perform one sample t-test and its visualization. Then import independent sample t-test data and then paired sample t-test data and perform one by one. Okay, now please do practice. And if you found an issue, let me know. I will be here to resolve your issue. Okay, thank you. Now please do practice and share your results within group.